Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Ash and a warm welcome to another model vehicle review video to come on this Sunday. This week I'm going to be covering another Viking model, and this one is the absolute last one I will be covering in this mini review, as there is no packaging and there is no reference number. So I'm just going to name this video as a Mercedes-Benz refrigerated box van truck, as I don't really know much details about these trucks at all, to be honest with you folks, and this one has had some mods carried out on it, and it did come in a job lot with the buses and the road vehicles that I have previously covered. Okay, so today I'm going to be covering this Mercedes-Benz truck, and it is in the 1/87 scale. And basically what I'm going to do here folks, as this one is a right hand drive truck, I'm just going to make some adjustments on the fly. So I'm going to be getting straight into this, but first, as always, as this is the introduction, all I'm going to do here folks is I'm just going to take a thumbnail like so, okay, and I will pause the video before we move on to the close-ups, okay. It's now time for the close-ups. As you can probably expect, this truck is pre-owned and it has received mods by the previous owner, as I believe the headlights have been picked out at the bottom there, and one has rubbed off where the paint was applied. We do have the standard cab, just like we've seen on the trash wagon and the recycling truck. So, and this one just has the refrigerated box on the back for refrigerated goods and frozen stuff, etc. It is a dual-wheeled rear wheel drive, as you got 4 tyres on the back and 2 on the front, and detailing is very good all round. I believe this model is a late 1980s model, judging from the quality and the design. So I will be giving that a 4 out of 5 on both quality and detail, okay, just like I did with the other 2 trucks folks. And that's really all there is to cover in terms of the close-ups. As I did mention, this video will be quite short, so let's move on to the next part of the video, which will be the 360 degree rotation. And without further ado, I'm just going to zoom out a wee bit, and then it's time to commence on with a 360 degree rotation, and I'm going anti-clockwise as this is a right hand drive vehicle. The doors on the back, of which, just bear with me for a wee second, I'll just show these off. As you can tell there, the doors do open on the back, and I'm just going to keep this turntable moving. As you can tell, this truck does have 3 wheel-in wheels, and I don't want it to roll off the turntable, okay. So I'm just going to be swift with the rotation, and as you can expect, an 8 out of 10 for this Viking Mercedes-Benz refrigerated box truck is a fair and a justified score. And that concludes my review. And as always folks, I do appreciate all positive and constructive feedback. Okay, if you did enjoy this video, please do consider leaving a like, as it does help YouTube with distributing my content around their website. And if you're not already a subscriber and you want to see reviews that are unbiased, truthful and honest, then you've come to the right place. I do these model vehicle reviews every Sunday, although that may change in the new year. But that's my 2020 schedule for now. Until next time folks, have a great week or weekend, look after yourselves, look after each other, and I will catch yous in another review, in another video coming soon. Okay? All the best folks, take care, God bless, and cheerio.